Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Paulina, and today I'm going to create a beautiful eye look which I haven't created yet before. So uh, watch completely and with patience. So how to create a color which you want to make a beautiful different look which you haven't in your eyeshadow palette. So every color you don't have to buy, learn it how to create, and then if you have two shades of lighter or darker of the color which you wanted to create, or which, so you can blend and mix and apply on eye, and it will make a beautiful color. So I'm applying now I'm in my eye base. You may apply any lighter foundation, and after prepping my eyes, I'll give a beautiful color which I told you. I'll be mixing two colors, and you have to be keep patience and watch carefully till end, so you can learn how and where I have applying colors to create depth, or to give a lighter uh, area. Like, if let's suppose this is a client of mine, and every eye has a different shape, so we will give a different new eye shape to this practice board or to the client. So first of all, I'm using a shimmery orange color. It's all up to you. If you want to start from the upper eyelid area, you can do it, but as I have told you so many times, it doesn't matter you start from upper lid area or lower lid area, from inner corner of the eye or outer corner of the eye. It's all up to you. So I'm giving a beautiful, this is very beautiful color, and this eye look, I'm sure, will give you a beautiful ideas to create. Like, it suits, the mixing of the colors will suit to the wheatish color. So without wasting time, let's get started. So these two colors, first I applied orange. I can mix both the colors and apply on the eye, but I don't want to mix. I want to make a different color, so that's why I have used first orange, and then I'm using this pink one. So watch carefully, it will help you, especially if I'm talking to the beginners, those who watch my videos. So this will help you to create different shadows, like mixing colors, blending colors, and you will be perfect. So after applying both colors, I have applied a brown shadow, this brown, outer of the eye corner, just to give the depth. Like, if this eye look you can create on wedding day, and this looks so beautiful, I promise you. So by applying this brown, so darker shade will come outer corner of the eye, and gradually I'll mix with orange, brown and pink towards inner corner of the eye. So by this color I am going to hide the harsh lines of the eyeshadow. So now the eye look has become totally changed. What few seconds before, it was like a proper eye look, but I have to hide the lines, so I applied this lighter beige color. It's beige or transaction color, whatever you say. So I am blending this, and all is in eye look or in makeup, all is to blend well. And after blending properly, the color or the shape will enhance so beautifully. So again I am applying brown. So this is the way you can do it and make a beautiful color. It was not difficult, and but the main thing is this, that you have to blend properly until you achieve the color which you required. So I have hide almost the harsh lines with the help of the lighter shade which I have shown you. And now again I am applying brown. So hope you are enjoying, and hope you are learning something. So thank you so much for my new subscribers. You mean a lot to me, and you always, when subscribe my channel, you make my day. And thank you so much for supporting, but keep supporting and subscribing my channel to motivate myself to make new eye looks for you people. So I'm using a clean brush, and to blend again the harsh lines, prominent lines, which I may not like, don't like. So I am blending properly to give a beautiful proper look. So I told you in last video that this week will be the glittery week. So with some reasons I couldn't upload my videos, like my Luna. I have told you before that she is not well, so that's why. But I'll try my level best to give you different new beautiful eye looks or makeups. Then again, after blending outer lines of outer eyelid, I am applying pink on the lower lash area. If anyone have puffy eyes, I mean lower area of the eye is puffy, don't use any color, just give a good concealer, a blended concealer, and that's it. So I'm applying after pink, I'm applying the same brown which I have used outer corner of the eye. So this will give more depth to the eye and obviously beautiful look to the eye. So I'm not coming near to the nose area, I'm just giving a shadow for the depth of the outer curve of the eye. And this was the final look. I applied false lashes and liner. Now I'm contouring. I'm not contouring full nose. I'm not starting from the eyebrows. I'm just giving shadow to the middle of the nose. So this is the way I contour. Sometimes I give from the upper side, like upper area, or starting from the brow line till point of the nose. I am giving a little shadow to the nose to give a proper shape from the middle of the nose till the tip of the nose. So don't go away, it's watch till end, and it will be good for you people, those who are interested, those who want to learn shadows, eye looks, makeups, contours, highlighting. So you have to look till end. So this is the final look. I applied liner, and today I applied a different way of the liner. I applied false lashes, and you can't see any harsh line, and see how beautiful it is looking. So with two colors I made one color, and on the upper lid area I applied the same, and the lower lash area I applied the same. So guys, this is the look which I created just for my YouTube family, those who spare time for me to watch my videos, and those who comment and DM me on my Instagram. And thank you every one of you, those who appreciate, I may say this. So this is the look which I created. I'll be creating a different look in the next video, and it will be very beautiful, I'm sure. So again, if you like my effort, my hard work, do subscribe my channel, support my channel. It means a lot to me. and comment any color, any eye look regarding makeup. Comment me, so I'll try my level best to create the color which you want to. So guys, this is the look, and I took few pictures and videos of the final look. Last video, I'm sorry, the quality, the voice quality, the picture quality was not good, so I'm sorry for that. So do remember in your prayers, comment, share, like with your family.